In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Tamiya 1998 Monte Carlo Rally Subaru Impreza WRC. Welcome back to Glow Sniff Garage, folks. Just doing a quick unboxing today on the Tamiya Subaru Impreza WRC. This is the 98 Monte Carlo edition, which was driven by Colin McRae and Nicky Grist. I believe it finished in 3rd place that year in the Monte Carlo Rally, which was won by Carlos Sainz in the Toyota Corolla. So let's take a wee look at the box. As always with the Tamiya kits, really great illustrations of the cars. It's no different here. Got on the side there, your side profile, front and rear profile. Detailed view of the cockpit from above. This version comes with the night stage lights, which I believe there's another version. I think it might be the 97 or 99 WRC Impreza, and I believe it's the Richard Burns version, which doesn't come with the lights. I might be wrong, I'll have to check that. But let's open up the box and take a wee look. Instructions there. First sprue, tyres, clear parts and window maskings. Another large sprue there with the chassis, various parts, and your body shell. Last but not least, bag with the decals in it. You give me a wee second, I'll open up the bags and then we can take a closer look inside. Okay, so I've got the bags opened up and I've got the first sprue here. So this kit's all moulded in this sort of mica blue, the famous Subaru blue, which means you'll have to prime everything really well so it's not showing through on any of your paintwork. On the lighter parts won't matter so much with the body, but if your interior and maybe the wheels and stuff, you'll need to make sure it's primed properly so that you're not getting any blue shining through underneath everything. So this first sprue, it seems to be mostly interior parts. So we've got roll cage and door cards. Very detailed door card there. Pedals, steering column at the bottom. It's like the top of the fuel cell at the back. Nicely moulded seats there. Couple of injection marks there at the back of the seats, that's not too bad. Nicely detailed dash. And your full exhaust there to it. And your steering wheel. Next sprue, It's got the clear part sprue here. You've got your front and rear window glasses. Headlight and tail light lenses. I believe this is an under carriage sort of cover. These sort of smoked clear parts. You've got some indicators there and your spotlights. Also got window masking. Really love it when you get these in kits. It comes in really handy. If you ever have a kit where it doesn't have the window maskings, I usually use heroboy.com, and they tend to have pre-printed and cut window masking stickers for quite a lot of kits. It's always worth checking out. They're only a couple of pound, maybe £2 something. It's definitely worth your while. It saves a lot of headaches trying to cut masking tape to fit onto your windscreens and stuff to get it to fit properly. It's definitely worth checking out. But yeah, it's a bonus getting these. And next sprue, this is quite a big sprue here. So start off with the chassis. Nicely moulded in sort of bottom of the engine there, but some of the recesses are quite deep, which would make it tricky to paint. We have your bonnet scoop, wing mirrors here, window wipers, sort of fire extinguisher, and we've got some, I think that might be the sit in front of the rear fuel cell. Got your gearbox there, differential. Oh, there's your fire extinguisher there. So rear spoiler pieces, front fog light covers, brakes, moulded and blue wheels there. Sure. Just extra lights. Wheel hubs and suspension. Some subframe parts and more lights. So you do have the option, these are the front spotlights that are moulded into the bumper. So you do have the option of building this as the like a standard daytime rally version or the night version. Some more lights there, your steering rack. Brakes and drive shaft and rear differential. More subframe pieces. Canister there too. Quite a big sprue, this one. Next up we've got the decals. Get your famous 555 livery there. I've watched a few other people build this, and apparently these decals can be quite tricky. So I look forward to that, trying not to tear them. You've got your second decal sheet. So we've actually got the decals for McRae or Liata, who is the other driver that year. Two different number plates, 3 or 4 carbon fibre decals for the back of the seats, and you've got your seatbelt decals there. In the next bag we've got some mesh and your tyres. No branding or lettering on the tyres. I'm sure they should be Pirellis. I've got the instruction manual. And your paint list here, it says that you will need TS21 gold spray, TS50 mica blue, your usual black, white, you need some royal blue, orange, red, gunmetal. Quite a big list of paints needed for this kit. Chassis there, it's a fairly detailed kit. Never looks like much when you see it on, it's only on a couple of screws, but it's quite a lot to this kit. As you can see, a massive instruction manual. Decal locations. And as always, you get your wee bit of history on the cart. And last but not least, we've got the body shell. You see quite a lot of these built as street cars. The body shell is very nice. Moulded in bonnet pins there. Space for your scoop. Only a tiny bit of mould lines at the rear corners there, it's not that bad at all. I love the finish on this plastic, it's nice and sparkly. Seems a shame to paint it, it's such a nice colour and a nice finish on the plastic itself. Yeah, very nice body. So that was the Tamiya Subaru Impreza WRC 98. Really good kit for Tamiya as always, and I really look forward to building this at some point in the near future. Thanks for watching the video. Always appreciate everybody watching. Always appreciate any likes, any subscriptions. You can follow me on Instagram at Garage. I'll put a link in the description below. You can see what other builds I've been doing, and get any updates if I've got any videos coming out. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you.